Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. You can also visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description on this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2019 F-150 Lariat in Oxford white with black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5 foot box. It has a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine. It's a V6 as well. It's a 4x4. It has an FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, the Lariat Sport package, which has the center console and body-colored grille, and as well a trailer tow package, which includes an integrated trailer brake controller. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's also memory for 3 drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have an electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights. There's a grab handle making it easier to get in, and you have power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start button. On the dash, any important messages will appear, and you also have a menu you can toggle through. So we'll go through this. My view, to the right, trip fuel, truck info, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center, you've got a little cubby, and you're seeing the badging for the B&O premium sound system. Hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. And also at the top here on our touch screen, you're seeing a heated steering wheel. You also have your sources you can choose, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. There's also navigation, and when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. There you go. We go back in, we can see the navigation map, and you can also go through your settings and then just slide through for different options like Apple CarPlay and display screen and so forth. Down below, volume and tuner, and then you also have dual climate control for both driver and passenger, as well as heated and cooled seats, and that's for your passenger, driver. There's your fan, AC, max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. And in the cubby, you have a couple of USB outlets. You can just push in the center here and it'll close right up for you. You also have an automatic select shifter and drive mode. And when you press this, it'll appear on your dash, and you'll see it come up normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. And you have a couple of cup holders with ambient lighting, and you're just seeing those rings in the bottom. The armrest opens up, and inside there's a little bin. You can take that out. Lots of storage down there, plus the 12 volt, so you can power up and connect. And off to the side, another 12 volt and a 110. You also have a locking glove compartment. And up above, you have an auto-dimming rear view mirror. We've left the covers on the visors here, but you have a universal garage door opener, as well as lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you have a power sliding window in the back, so that's the button for that. And you also have a dual panel moonroof, so when we press that, you get some nice fresh air. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, running boards, body-colored door handle with intelligent access, so when the fob's in close proximity, it'll lock and unlock the doors. Keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The body-colored tailgate extends to body-colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable, and your backup camera is just below that handle. You also have the backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and locking spare tire. And the really nice thing about this is you have a power tailgate. So when you double click your fob, it brings it down for you easily. It's nicely lined inside with tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And you also have a tailgate step, and that just makes it easier to get in. And then you can close everything up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You simply pull the tab, lift up the seat, and it's in the upright position. And then when you want to bring it down, same thing, pull the tab, down it goes. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. And in the center, there's an armrest with a couple of cup holders. On the floor, you have carpeted mats, and it also comes with an all-weather mat that runs from one end to the other. That just makes easy cleanup. On the back of the seats, slim pockets. In the center, a couple of cup holders. There's a 12 volt, 110, and USB outlets, as well as the controls for heated seats in the rear here. As well, grab handle in the body, lights and hooks, as well as that panoramic view, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. Body-colored bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, quad beam headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.